Question number 1. A patient with diabetes insipidus characteristically complains of option A fatigue, option B hunger, option C thirst, option D weight loss. The correct answer is option C thirst. Question number 2. Inflammation of tissue surrounding the nail is known as option A clubbing, option B chylonychia, option C parenchyma, option D onycholysis. Correct answer is option C parenchyma. Question number 3. A woman with infertility receives an ovarian transplantation from her sister who is an identical twin. What type of graft it is? Option A xenograft, option B autograft, option C allograft, option D isograft. The correct answer is option D isograft. Question number 4. A patient had chemical burn. The best initial action is option A roll the patient in the blanket, option B flush the area with copious amount of water or normal saline, option C chemical is an acid neutralized with a base, option D move the patient away from the chemical. The correct answer is option B flush the area with copious amount of water or normal saline. Question number 5. Which complications may occur in severe burn cases? Option A hypoglycemia, option B gastric ulcer, option C muscle atrophy, option D paralysis. The correct answer is option B gastric ulcer. Question number 6. In psoriasis, the main clinical manifestation is option A blue spot on the skin, option B ecchymosis, option C dry shining scaly lesion, option D large vesicle. The correct answer is option C dry shining scaly lesion.